What we're looking at right now is a view of the incline belt and the flat belt that feed the Saturn unit, which is another word for it is bale buster. The product that's on the belt right now is called regrind. That's one of the products that go into the formula for making logs. What we've got here is the main control panel that controls all the machinery in the granulator area. Basically, you saw the product going up the incline belt. From there, it drops into the hopper, gets broke up into smaller pieces. And then you can see the auger right here where it's getting broke up. That's looking across the flat belt over there. One of the really important things to watch here is the draw and amperage, the amperage draw. This is the amperage required to run the two 200 horsepower motors that turn this blade assembly. Behind us here, the lift truck operator is bringing in the European foam or Chinese foam to put on the belt, and that'll go into another bin. There's a lot of important things to consider here. Mainly when the operator's up on the belt, you have to be very careful of your footing, make sure you don't fall off the belt. There's a lot of safety concerns to worry about. There's a lot of personal protective equipment you have to wear. The banding that holds all the foam together is quite sharp, so that's why the operators wear a face shield and leather aprons and sleeves, Kevlar sleeves and gloves. In order to be a good operator over in the granulator department, it's always good to know what's happening on the other end. This is the other end. This is called the mold operator. And he's the one that makes these the carpet pad logs right here. So basically his touch screen right there allows him to pull product out of all 4 bins. And the mold is a big huge cylinder you see behind the panel here. That's where the product is blown into the mold. The ram comes down and compresses it, and then we inject steam up into it, and that activates the binder. That takes place for about 3 to 3.5 minutes, and once that's done, the mold raises up and the log comes down in the conveyor belt, and from there it passes over these cooling fans and blows a lot of the moisture out of it. And then from there, of course, it goes onto the floor and sits for about 24 hours to dry before we can process it down the finish line.